Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to hide the apps from home screen. Simply go to the settings and tap on the option home screen. Now simply scroll down. Then here you can see the option hide apps on home and app screen. Tap on this one. So from here you can see all the applications from your device. You can see here. So from this one you have to select the application that you want to hide from the app screen or home screen. Okay, so simply here I am going to select the application calculator. Now you can see the calculator is under the hidden application. Tap on done. If you go to the home screen, now you can see the calculator is not there on the home screen and the app screen also. If you search the calculator on your app screen, you can see calculator is not there. So here you can see the calendar application is here. So here I am going to hide the calendar also. Go to settings, tap on hide app or apps on home and app screen. Then here I am going to select the option calendar, tap on done. If you go to the home screen and also if you go to the app screen, the calendar application is not there. Simply here I am going to search the application calendar. Now you can see the calendar application is not there. Okay, so it keeps personal application private and clean. It also helps reduce clutter on the home screen. So simply in this way we can hide apps from the home screen. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.